usually in the 95 to 98% category.
But when massive supplies of highly combustible rocket fuel is housed inside tons of steel and composite metals, catastrophes are always a possibility.
Rockets are a risky business, and a lot of time and energy is put into trying to be sure that we don't have a bad day and ending up in failure.
On January 17, 1997, one of the worst rocket disasters in history occurs at Cape Canaveral, Florida. On Launch Pad 17A, a Delta II rocket carrying an $81 million satellite.
3, 2, 1, 0. We have ignition and liftoff from Cape Canaveral Air Station of the Air Force Delta II launch vehicle carrying the new GPS-2R satellite.
The rocket soars through the sky with 200,000 pounds worth of thrust. Suddenly,
We have had an anomaly.
It was between 1,000 and 2,000 feet in the air when the strap-on solid motor started to fail.
250 tons of flaming debris and rocket fuel shower down on Cape Canaveral.
We need to secure the area.
A fortified building close to the launch pad is pummeled by the firestorm, threatening the safety of workers inside.
And we did have a major problem.
The explosion also creates a toxic cloud containing hydrochloric acid.